Hello students, today's topic is future perfect continuous tense. Subject teacher Kamal Bansi Najan. Future perfect continuous tense. The future perfect continuous indicates an action represented as being in progress over a period of time that will end in the future. As being in progress over a period of time that will end in the future. Try to understand it well. Future perfect continuous tense. For future perfect, will have been, and for continuous tense, verb ing plus since for. Use of will have been. For all the subjects, we have to use will have been. There is no doubt about using have been or has been. It's very clear that in future perfect continuous tense, you have to use only will have been for all the subjects, that is I, you, we, they, Kedar and Kavita, he, she, it, Kedar, Kavita. Use of will have been. Future perfect continuous tense, we have to use since or for. We have to use since when exact point of time, that is name of day, name of the month, name of the year, parts of the day, 2 o'clock, 1 p.m., 2 p.m., name of the season, name of the event, stage of one's life, name of festival, yesterday, last week, last month. And we have to use for the duration of time, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 days, months, years, weeks, hours, minutes, decades, centuries, a long time, a while, or a moment. Remember this chart very well. Perfect continuous tense. For this tense, we have to concentrate on structure of the sentence. Structure of the sentence is subject plus will plus have been plus verb ing plus object plus since or for plus time. For that, model sentences are here. I will have been doing my homework for 2 hours. You will have been growing plants for 2 months. You will have been learning English since childhood. Model sentences are here. Kedar will have been going to karate class since Monday. Kavita will have been studying at Pune University for 4 years. For more understanding, more model sentences are here. In November, I will have been working at my company for 3 years. Kavita will have been doing job at Mumbai for 2 years. They will have been living in London for 5 years. Future perfect continuous tense. We have to learn now negative sentences. For negative sentences, the structure of the sentence is subject plus will plus not plus have been plus verb ing plus object plus since or for plus time. We have to use not after will. Remember it well. Will not have been. Sentences. Negative sentences are here. He will not have been working in the factory for 6 months. She will not have been playing games since December. Kedar will not have been running his business since May. They will not have been using this car since March. Future perfect continuous tense and now interrogative sentences. Verbal questions. For verbal questions, structure of the question is will plus subject plus have been plus verb ing plus object plus since or for plus time. Will he have been studying in the new college since December? Will they have been using their phone since tomorrow? Now, interrogative sentences, WH questions. Structure of the question. WH word plus will plus subject plus have been plus verb ing plus object plus since or for plus time. And since when plus will plus subject plus have been plus verb ing plus object. This second type of question. Now, model sentences or model questions are here. Where will Kedar have been working for 2 hours? Where will they have been playing since morning? Since when will he have been dancing? Today we have learned future perfect continuous tense. The structure of the sentence, model sentences, then negative sentences and interrogative sentences. Read all the model questions, model sentences very well. Remember the structure of the sentence very well. So, thank you. Goodbye.